get scammed in Malaysia? Locals let us know.
It's crazy. I never see something like this in the world, guys.
Peninsula Malaysia, we will not be back.
Apa lagi nih ya?
Menyesal datang ke Malaysia. Malaysia, negara yang digambarkan indah dengan gedung megahnya, ternyata memiliki sisi lain yang membuat para bul ini merasa menyesal berkunjung ke sana. Mereka mengeluhkan kualitas pelayanan yang buruk, warganya yang tidak ramah, dan adanya scam. Bahkan, beberapa turis mengaku kecewa dengan pengalaman mereka selama berada di Malaysia, seperti kesulitan berkomunikasi dengan.
Tapi sebelum itu, kalau namanya turis ini ya, di negara apapun, kalau namanya mereka tidak suka, tetap tidak suka. Dan mungkin ini jujur bukan cuma di Malaysia ya, Indonesia juga ada negatifnya.
Penduduk lokal. Hal ini membuat mereka merasa bahwa kunjungan mereka ke Malaysia tidak sebanding dengan harapan mereka.
Peninsula Malaysia, we will not be back.
We started off in Georgetown in Penang, and yeah, first impressions were awful. Yeah.
So Penang, very honestly and very bluntly, is disgusting. It's dirty. The people are unfriendly. There's pigeons absolutely everywhere, and the pigeons shit on everything. And the pigeon shit then gets wet because it rains. So there's just like wet pigeon shit absolutely everywhere, and it's just disgusting. Like, I don't know how else to explain Penang, but all the buildings are dilapidated. It's not charming. Like, people say, oh, it's old school charming. It's really not. It's just disgusting.
I'm at the Malaysia airport, and here there is a security control. Here is the gate where you can go inside, and I bought this water from inside the airport. So, and now they ask to take my water. Why? Because there is a second security control. It's crazy. I never see something like this in the world, guys. Only at this airport. 51 countries, and this is my first time that I see something like this. So they take.
Jadi kalau kita tengok sini, mereka protes ya sama beberapa tempat di Malaysia, bukan di Malaysia semuanya. Dan ini ada isu di airport, yang mana kita tidak tahu ni apa masalahnya sampai airnya ditahan, suruh beli air lain. Lucu ya.
If I don't have money, what about if I don't have money? How can I buy water from the airport? 6 hours flight. How?
Walking here in Malaysia, I just really got one thing, like people here is not, I don't think it's not like about friendly, but they not smile to each other a lot. I mean, like in Thailand. Okay, I used to already, right? Like I'm living in Thailand, and I used to have a lot of like attention maybe and smile people to each other. But people here like still a little bit nervous. I know it's a lot of flow here in very street flow, but a little bit uncomfortable. I feel like
dia komentar orang Malaysia tidak ramah itu. Tapi kalau kita tengok di sini, banyak boleh-boleh yang paling banyak lah boleh lebih memilih destinasinya kalau namanya liburan pasti ke Indonesia, dan mereka mengakui itu Indonesia merupakan salah satu tempat yang paling di favorite ya sama orang bule sendiri. Dan kalau kita tengok di sini pun isu tidak ramahnya orang Malaysia ini ya susah ya, susah mau diatur. Tidak semua orang ramah, tidak semua orang menganggap kita ini sebagai turis. Betul?
Some uncomfortable all them, you know, like it's not about like to you, like you foreign, and you're not like you inappropriate in here, but I feel something weird, you know.
Did we just get scammed in Malaysia? Locals let us know.
Don't be surprised just because you know we're from England. That's not how it works. I think about the lasting impression that leaves on tourists.
Dar got a haircut, the board outside said, starting at 19 ringgit.
I'm from the Philippines. Yeah, she looks Filipino. She's from England.
England. And you
Yeah.
in Philippines?
Yeah. But I live.
You are from England?
Yeah.
Now you live in England?
Yeah. Yeah.
You live here is very
Sebenarnya guys, sebenarnya ya kalau nama pun tidak suka sama suatu tempat itu, sebenarnya haruslah tetap menghargai. Mana kita tahu belum tentu semua orang di dunia ini suka kalau namanya kita pergi ke tempat mereka ya, tidak semuanya ya.
Yeah, living there is hard.
He then said the price was 120 ringgit.
120 ringgit is too much.
Ui,
Just ask the locals. They said that's not how much it should be.
kena scam ya?
Brother, local people, they have their...
Serat.
They don't have that.
Oh, ini pantesan kenapa ini marah. Gunting rambut casnya sampai Rp120. Kalau saya juga protes ya. Apa ini?
But we don't have that. We don't have anything.
But you can't base the price just because you know we're from England. That's not how it works.
This is local people. We don't have that. We don't have rental. We don't have anything.
So for foreigner, it's expensive.
No. Local people got cheap, but not here. You understand?
50 ringgit, yeah?
No. 50 here.
I'm not paying 120 for.
You understand?
Okay, 70 ringgit then.
No, but you live there.
Alright, so he tried to charge us 120 ringgit. And that's like about 20 quid. That's more than how much I pay in the UK.
I was trying to say that it's only 50 for locals because they don't have much money. Now, fair enough if you're going to add a little bit more, but he's like well over doubled the price, and it's not fair for them just to assume just because we've come from abroad that means that we're made of money and it's okay to charge us that much. So, by the way, it doesn't speak for the whole of Malaysia. It's the first time it's ever happened to us.
First time in Malaysia.
Yang pasti ada juga kesalahan daripada orang Malaysia sendiri. Banyak yang scam ini, jujur lah ya, saya sendiri walaupun orang Malaysia pun kena scam juga sama orang di sini. Dan ya kalau namanya boleh juga protes, tidak boleh disalahkan ya, salah negara Malaysia.
Local even said to us, no, you shouldn't be paying more than 50 even in this area. Gives people a bad impression because now just that one thing that he's done there has ruined our day now. And imagine if it was our first time here, we weren't regular travellers, maybe we wouldn't want to come back. Luckily we've seen good sides of the country and we do
lucu ya.
You've got to think about the lasting impression that leaves on tourists.
马来西亚的第一天就差点饿死在街上。
Apa komen kalian guys?
好不容易碰到一个华人餐厅的老板。